Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today the date is 8 July and the time is 9:37. So now let's take a look at the Nifty chart. Okay, let's view the trend of the Nifty first and then we'll decide what to do for the day. So let me watch Nifty's trend for the day. So I'll keep updating you once I enter into any stock. So I am pausing the video for now. Hi friends, I have bought some quantity at 9:45 and my stock is SBIN. The reason is I do get a good breakout over here. So I have bought some quantity in SBIN stock. So now it's in a loss of 900. Let's see what's happened. What will happen next? Okay, now we do see a profit of 900 in SBIN stock. I'll update you further. Let's go to the risk reward ratio and chart. We do have a profit of 1050. I have kept my stop loss at 192. Here do we see some on the support line. I have kept my stop loss, and here it has broken its resistance. So let's wait. I'll update you further. So now we only have profit of 600. I'll update you further. Hi friends, we have a profit of approximate 2500 rupees. Let's see the chart. It has broken the previous resistance also, but let's see. Hi friends, we do have profit of approximate 2500 rupees. Okay, so we have profit of approximately 2500 rupees. The Nifty has, let's see the chart of Nifty. Okay, it has come back to a positive note. So let's see. Okay, I think my profit have extended up to 3000 rupees. Okay, let's see the chart. Okay, let's see if it has broken its previous resistance. The high is okay 194.85 and in this it is 195.3. Okay, it has broken that also. Now we do a profit of approximate 4000 rupees. Okay, okay friends, we do approximate profit of 4000. So I am planning to exit because I have achieved my target of the day. So I think I'll exit for the day. Okay, so we have booked a profit of 4200 for the day. Okay, so I have stopped and booked approximate 4200 rupees. Now let's come to the trade setup which I took. Okay, so today I worked on this breakout as usual after the confirming the trend. As usual after trend confirmation I did work on this breakout, and reason for going to buy side instead of sell was, let's see the chart of Nifty. What do we see in the Nifty chart was, it started from here, it reverted back at this point, and here what we see was a bullish engulfing candle at its support point, and again once it broke that, but it reverted back with increasing volumes. In the support lines, what did I see was, one was bullish engulfing candle over here, and it was not going below this point, and it reverted back its support line with huge green candles. So today's my trade concept, why I went for buy instead of sell was because I could find the support point and it breaking the support point with huge volume. And another reason is my stock selection was perfect for the day, and I did have a good breakout. Even though the Nifty was in negative, we had a good breakout over here. So 2 to 3 reasons for taking my trade for the day. We booked approximate profit of 4,200 rupees. So we have been in a profit streak for approximately last 2 to 3 weeks. So I wish to maintain my profit and booked for the day. Okay, so today's trade where I kept my stop loss was at its resistance point, but comparing to risk reward ratio, I have not reached my risk reward ratio, but because Nifty has turned from its negative to positive, and why I exited at this point is I was seeing a decrease in volume, so I think the buying was going on a downside, but there can be an increase. It depends on the trend of the Nifty. So today we have booked a profit of 4,200, and that's all for the day. So today's note I have just told about bullish engulfing candle in its support line. If all have any doubt regarding bullish engulfing candle, it looks like this. If you don't know about it, do comment on the comment box. I'll help you out, or do WhatsApp on my number. Okay, so that's all for the day, guys. So reason for today's trade, looking the Nifty support line and breakout was the reason, and we have booked a profit of 4,200. So that's all for the day. Thank you.